we are driving pretty much the whole day. We have like a 6-hour drive today, and we started in Walvis Bay and we're driving up the Skeleton Coast.
I'm hoping today that we can make it to our camp by before sunset so we can actually set up in light and do a little bit of cooking in the light, but that might be a little wishful thinking, so we'll see.
That's been our wishful thinking every day, and it has not happened yet. So maybe today is our day.
Yeah, I think today we'll make it.
Wow, I didn't expect that.
Some fried chicken in Namibia. To Crispin at the Trading Post. Hopefully they got some good coffee and croissants. You ready to eat?
It's written underneath the cup.
Okay.
But this is a cappuccino and hazelnut latte.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Whenever we picked up our rental car, the guy told us that Swakopmund is German, and then the rest of Namibia is Namibia, but here is Germany. And you can definitely feel and see the German influence here. We're on the hunt for some of the like architecture of the buildings that look especially German, but yeah, even like the signs and how people coming up to you and speaking German, you can definitely, I now understand why he said that. We pulled over because it has all of these like bright, like colorful houses, but it's such like spooky vibes right now because of the mist and the fog.
It feels like an abandoned like ghost town.
Yeah, ghost town vibes.
Feels like the start of a movie.
Yeah. A movie that you don't want to be in.
Makes sense that there's a lot of skeletons out here because I feel like it's probably pretty hard to survive. It seems just like arid desert. I knew we were driving up the coast, but I didn't realize that the water was as close as it was. I think because it was kind of foggy. But literally, I think if you pull off right there and drive like for 2 minutes, you can get to the water.
Our next stop is the Cape Cross Seal Reserve. This is it's either one of or the largest colony of Cape fur seals in the world. I would have thought that you could like already see them.
Yeah. All right. We good? We got the pass. It was 350 Namibian dollars. So like $20 for us to go. She said you just drive 3 kilometers to the parking area and then you can take the walkway, but she said be vigilant because the seals often go on the walkway.
We're pulling into the parking lot and there's so many seals already just like in the parking lot.
What the heck? Is that one asleep? Are they like sleeping like that?
I think they're sleeping.
Their head not back like that?
Yeah, it's sleeping. Wow, they're so big. Oh, I can smell them.
Yeah, it smells like fish market.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn the air up. Stinky. I mean, it's not great, but it's like not as bad as I expected.
Every time I breathe, it smells like a fish mart. It smells like a pet store. I expected there to be more.
I think there are when we walk onto the beach.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah, there's more. This is just like, these are just the parking lot ones.
Oh, okay. These are parking lot seals.
Yeah, these are the extra. So Cape Cross is where the first like Portuguese explorer touched land in Namibia, I think in 1486.
Yeah, 1486.
And I think over here there's like a I don't know what the word is, like
monument?
A monument for that. I think it's covered with seals. So I don't know how close we can get. Well, our whole car stinks now.
Yeah.
And we stink.
We can, once we get to the camp, we can shower or just start a fire and maybe the fire...
Burn it off.
Yeah. The fire smell will overpower the seal smell.
Yeah.
I still smell it.
Yeah. We are officially in Skeleton Coast National Park. I didn't realize that there was like an official entrance that we would go through. But yeah, there's gates, like specific gates to go in and out of, and park opening and closing times. I think that we are driving through this for, I don't know, we don't have cell phone service to check the maps, but I think we're driving through this for maybe like an hour or two. We found our first attraction of the Skeleton Coast, and it is a very thrilling old oil rig.
It's cool. It's all rusted out, but
It's interesting, I guess. I wonder what year it's from.
right back to cruising. It's like we're driving on Mars. There's literally nothing. Nothing in rocks.
So as soon as you get to like the end of the park, everything becomes like red. The sand is a darker red, whereas like most of the drive in the Skeleton Coast was very like gray and black.
The temperature's gone up to like from probably 20 to 22 Celsius to now it says 32 Celsius. So it's like we've gotten off the coast and now into the desert.
Just made it to our campsite for the night. We are in Twyfell Fontaine, and we're staying at Twyfell Fontaine Elephant Camp. We have this like entire spot here. We have a fire pit here, and then all to ourselves over here we have all of this space. This is such a good campsite. There's like a grill here and like some counter space. There's a trash can here, and we have a sink with running water to do dishes, and then the bathrooms are over there. And yeah, this is incredible. I mean, this is huge, and there's a view all around. Got like mountains over here.
The good news is I figured out how to do this the first time. That was a little weird. Yeah.
We've got the tent set up now. We've got the fire going. The sun is setting, and look at how beautiful this is. The sky is like orange to pink to purple to blue, and then we can see the moon up there.
I'm cleaning up quick. So we're running a little behind schedule.
Story of our life.
Yeah. A lot of stuff to clean up.
We're up early this morning because we are getting ready to go see the desert elephants.
And as I always say, let me go do my talking with the elephants. So let's hit the road and see what we get. Now, the elephant dung shows you how insufficient their digestive system is. Because look, this piece of stick that just came through. You can see even the leaf, piece of leaf, although it's so soft, but the system did not even break it down. So yeah, that's why elephants need to move a lot around and eat as much, you know, because they look at. This one is actually called the Angolan giraffe. This the southern giraffe you get Kruger and downwards. This one is NAMIBIA into Angola. Elephants are not like other animals that, as I say, will run away from the problem. They want to solve the problem. Yeah, they don't run away from it.
It's gonna get big so fast. It's gonna go big.
So we are totally blessed to have these babies here because since October 2022 until 3 months ago, we lost 6 babies.
Oh no.
So what?
So it's a mixture of things.
So the smallest is 5 years old,
It's going for 5, yeah.
and the one next to it's
And that one is, let's say, going for 8.
okay.
Yeah. Her name is Christmas because she was born on Christmas Day.
This is a crazy view.
Yeah. So if you look all the way out there, you can see a lone ostrich on the horizon. You can see a black speck that's like